जय श्री राम भाइयों, आशा करता हूँ आप सब काफ़ी अच्छे होंगे। मैं भी काफ़ी अच्छा हूँ। आज हम लोग बेसिकली बात करने वाले हैं टाटा नेक्सॉन ईवी के बारे में। पेट्रोल डीजल का तो हर इंसान बना देता है, ईवी का भी लोगों ने बना रखे हैं बहुत सारे रिव्यू, बट एक पर्सनल ओपिनियन से मैं भी आपको एक चीज़ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। जी ग्राउंड रियलिटी क्या होती है वो चीज़ हम इस वीडियो में आज कवर करने वाले हैं। फुल इसकी डिटेल्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, कौन सी मोटर आती है, एवरीथिंग इज़ कवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो। तो वीडियो को स्किप मत करना। मैं हर वीडियो को नहीं कहता, बट इस वीडियो को स्किप मत करना। ये बहुत एक नॉलेजेबल वीडियो रहने वाली है जो अभी टाटा ईवी लेने वाले हैं, और इनकी सर्विस एवरीथिंग आई विल कवर इन दिस वीडियो। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। So today we will talk about the Tata Nexon EV, but before that please follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start the review. The Tata Nexon EV front exterior boasts some impressive features including projector headlamps, corning fog lamps and LED DRLs that give it its sleek and modern look. The car also comes with alloy and rain sensing wipers for added convenience. Not only does it come with impressive features, but it also comes with impressive looks, making it attractive to customers. What's your opinion? Tell in the comment box. The Tata Nexon EV has a length of 3994 mm, width of 1811 mm and height of 16616 mm. It also has a wheelbase of 2498 mm and a ground clearance of 190 mm. The car's front suspension is equipped with McPherson strut suspension, while the rear suspension has a twist beam. Tata hasn't provided any additional features or options on the side. Now, let's talk about its back look. Here you will notice connecting tail lights, LED, electrical boot, parking sensor and a reverse camera reflectors. I personally love its rear design. If you like it too, please let me know in comments. You can see a small sticker on the quarter panel. Here, please make sure to remove it immediately after delivery. Otherwise, thieves can easily note down your car chassis number and create a duplicate key to steal your vehicle. So make sure you remove it as soon as possible after delivery. This is a small safety tip for your car. Here's the comprehensive overview of the Tata Nexon EV's interior specifications, covering everything from front to back. The Nexon EV features a sleek and modern dashboard with a dual-tone theme, premium leather and chrome accents. The car features a leather-wrapped steering wheel with steering-mounted controls for audio, phone and voice command, and with cruise control. Tata hasn't provided any ADAS feature in Tata Nexon EV. The Nexon EV has a push start button, making it convenient to start and stop the engine. Let's talk about its infotainment system. The car comes with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with voice command functionality and Bluetooth FM or radio. Everything is here in this, and the touch response of this screen is very nice. The car features automatic climate control with a pollen filter, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. The Nexon EV has an ample storage space, including a glove box, door pockets, and a center console with cup holders and armrests. And the Nexon EV features a panoramic sunroof, adding to the overall ambience and luxury feel. Introducing the automatic high RPM feature in Tata Nexon EV, designed to provide a safer and more convenient driving experience. With the automatic high RPM, you can enjoy a clear and unobstructed view of the road behind you without the glare of headlights from trailing vehicles. This feature automatically adjusts the rear view mirror to reduce glare, ensuring that you can focus on the road. The automatic high RPM uses advanced sensors and algorithms to detect the intensity of the light from trailing vehicles and adjust the mirror accordingly. Thus, this means that you don't have to manually adjust the mirror, reducing distraction and allowing you to focus on your driving. The rear seat offers ample legroom, headroom and shoulder room, making it comfortable for passengers. 60/40 split folding seats, providing flexibility for cargo and passenger space. Rear AC vents, ensuring a comfortable experience for rear passengers. The Nexon EV has ISOFIX child seat mounts, ensuring safe and secure installation of child seats. The Nexon EV comes with dual front airbags, side airbags, and curtain airbags, ensuring safety for occupants. The car features anti-lock braking system, ABS, and electronic brake force distribution (EBD) for improved braking. Overall, the Tata Nexon EV's interior is designed to provide a comfortable, convenient, and safe driving experience, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a premium electric SUV. What's your opinion? Tell in the comment box. Do follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Detailed overview of the Tata Nexon EV's engine specification and performance capabilities. The Tata Nexon EV is powered by 3-phase permanent magnet producing 129 PS of power and 245 Nm of torque. The electric motor is designed to provide instant torque and smooth acceleration, making it ideal for city driving and highway cruising. The Nexon EV is equipped with a 30.2 kW lithium-ion battery pack, providing a claimed range of up to 312 km on a single charge. The battery can be charged from 0 to 80% in just 60 minutes using a fast charger, while a standard charger takes 8 to 9 hours to fully charge the battery. The Nexon EV features a single-speed automatic transmission providing seamless acceleration and smooth gear shift performance. The Nexon EV can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 9.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest electric vehicles in this segment. The car has a top speed of 120 km, making it suitable for highway driving and long trips. The Nexon EV features 3 driving modes: Drive, Sport, and Eco. The Drive mode provides a balanced driving experience, while the Sport mode enhances the acceleration and the performance. The Eco mode optimizes energy efficiency and range. The Nexon EV features regenerative brake, while captures kinetic energy and converts into electrical energy, charging the battery and the improve all efficiency. The Nexon EV is equipped with advanced safety features including ABS, EBD, ESP, and hill descent control, ensuring a safe and secure drive experience. Overall, the Tata Nexon EV's engine specification and performance capabilities make it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, efficient, and fun-to-drive electrical vehicle. What's your opinion on EV car? Tell in the comment box. Are you looking for an electric vehicle that offers a perfect blend of style, features, and affordability? Look no further than the Tata Nexon EV with its sleek design, advanced technology, and impressive range. The Nexon EV is an excellent choice for anyone looking to switch to an electrical vehicle. The Nexon EV is available in several variants, each offering a unique combination of features and price. Here's a breakdown of the prices of each variant. XM. This is the base variant of the Nexon EV priced at 13.99 lakhs ex showroom, and the second variant is XZ Plus. Variant is priced at 16 lakh rupees ex showroom. XZ Plus Luxury. This variant is priced at 17 lakh rupees ex showroom, and the value for money variant is XM. It comes with features like 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, digital instrument, rear camera, and more features. As you can see, the Tata Nexon EV offers a range of variants to suit different budgets and preferences. Whether you are looking for a basic variant with essential features for a top-of-the-line variant with all the bells and whistles, there's Nexon EV variant that you right for. So why wait? Visit your nearest Tata Motor dealership today and take a test drive of the Tata Nexon EV with its impressive range and vast features and affordable price. It's an electrical vehicle that's sure. I hope you had a great time watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more exciting updates. You can also connect with me directly on Snapchat. My handle is Real Shivan Shukla Ji. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to sharing more engaging content with you in my next video.